The current ISS pilot contains the main functionalities of the future ISS product. The ISS pilot is devoted to test and ensure the following achievements. To ensure the usability and user-friendliness of the future ISS. To facilitate and ensure the full implementation of EU rail safety data reporting and sharing by the railway actors. To minimize the effort needed for the future ISS users to comply with EU rail safety legislation. To fully comply with the protection of personal data and with the need-to-know principle. To maximize the rail safety learning curve of the ISS users. To fully benefit from open-source semantic technologies and linked data approach in accordance with the agency digital strategy. Thanks to the participation of operators and authorities in the early design stages, it was possible to develop a draft ISS ontology and to implement a linked data approach to safety information managed by the ISS pilot. While the challenges are big, the current stage of development of the ISS pilot is very encouraging. Today, we are happy to show you the state of play of the ISS pilot that a group of volunteers have started to test with the view to provide user feedback to the agency. The ISS pilot data sharing approach is based on an ISS login and the pre-registration of users and groups profile. From the user profile, the ISS pilot is then able to dispatch safety data reported by the logged user in accordance with the railway legislation and the legal role applied by the group for which the logged user is reporting with the ISS. The current ISS pilot is covering most of functions and datasets that will be needed to implement safety information reporting in accordance with sharing requirements of the EU railway legislation. Groups and users management functions are allowing the presetting of the profile in terms of railway actor legal role, for example railway undertaking, infrastructure managers, entities in charge of maintenance, national safety authorities and national investigating bodies, the agency and others. A group is composed of a list of users that are entitled to work for the group in order to read or report safety information in the name of the group. As soon as the user profile is set, the user can log in the ISS and can select the group on behalf of which he or she will work during the current session. From the login and profile selection applicable during a login session, the ISS pilot is then able to allow access to data or to allow this user to share the reported data. The ISS pilot is then dispatching the information in accordance with the legislation to other users of the ISS. The ISS pilot is currently covering the test of the future ISS specifications for the following safety business workflows. ISS will allow the reporting of safety information on occurrences, including notifications. Scenarios description including human and organizational factors. Risk control measures, including description of potential failures. The description of possible occurrence scenarios resulting from risk analysis including planned risk control measures. The reporting of alerts, integration of former SAIT and SIS. The reporting of independent accident investigation and investigating bodies' recommendations, integration of former E-Rail. The reporting of the current common safety indicators, as well as the new safety level and safety performance indicators at national and EU level. Sharing of information with the group of analysts, the national safety authorities, the national investigating bodies, the representative bodies, the agency, for example the notification of safety information, advice or recommendations. The ISS will allow the operators to report their self-estimation of their safety performance. The harmonized assessment, by the agency, of safety level and safety performance of each operator. Finally, the ISS will also offer support to railway actors with the possibility to report issues or to request ISS ontology improvements. There will be FAQ, tutorials, guides and reporting examples, reference material assisting the users. Thanks to the applied technology, the ISS pilot is ready to become a multilingual system, allowing users to report in their own language and other users to read the same reported information in their own language. It is expected that the future ISS will dramatically improve the possibility to share safety information at every level and to help operators to improve their safety performance, efficiently supporting the rail job holders in their daily safety tasks to implement, share and improve their safety culture.